So we came here looking for parts, but I think I found a little bit more than just parts. We got a 2016 BMW 428i M package. This is at a junkyard, but it's still a clean title, clean Carfax. Let me show you inside. Look at that. Yeah, 95,000 miles on it. Don't come here just looking for parts and buying parts. Buy a whole car, man. Like, come on, what are you guys doing? When I go buy parts, I buy the whole part, not just one part, the whole part. I'm gonna go negotiate with the guy and really lower the price on it, because I know these junkyards, they will ask for a lot of money for like the cars, because small parts they ask already for a lot of money. So hopefully he doesn't, you know, overprice me on this one. But we're gonna go talk to him. No matter what he says, I'm trying to get it anyways, because it's a nice clean 4 Series, and load it up on a towing truck and go back to the shop, and we'll see you guys down there. It's gonna be another series on this one, so stay tuned. All right.
Ah, shit. Oh, snap. He actually got it.
You thought I only buy cars from the auction? Nah, I buy cars from the junkyard.
Shit, boy.
I'm telling you.
Bring it in.
Wow.
You heard that crunch?
That did not sound good.
It did not.
That's alright though. It's a junkyard car. Let's check it out, alright? No copyright, please. But it's actually not bad. It is M package as well. So I'm gonna just what's it called? I'm gonna go and buy the doors. Hopefully I find the same color doors. We already got the side skirt, and what's it called? That's it. Just clean it, detail it, and post it. Maybe drive it for a little bit actually, because I feel like driving a Grand Coupe for a little while. Let's put on the jack and check it out. And hopefully there's not many issues. Hey, he's not bad. Just this right here. Turn it off. I don't need that. Other than that, it's good, man. Couldn't find parts for this one, by the way, so trying to find it. Oh, he's taking off the bottom piece. All right, stay tuned. And I'm ready to set it all up. But for now, I'm worried about this, because every time I look at it, my heart aches. So how disgusting it is. Oh well, it is what it is. I'll see you guys. Stay tuned. There's actually an issue with this car. It didn't run at all. First, everything started here, but it did not start. It didn't actually run. The keys aren't programmed right to the car. I guess when they sold it, whoever owned the car, they left the keys in their pockets and forgot about it. They left outside of the car, and then when the junkyard bought it, they went ahead and made new keys for it. They did not program it though all the way right. You can see there's an X on this one. So when we turn it off and then you come back and you want to turn it back on, you see what it says? Starter ignition malfunction. It's not the ignition, and it's probably not the starter. It's the program for the keys. It just doesn't start. It shows that it's on, but it doesn't start. Nothing. So the way we started it, and I brought it from over there. Let me show you. Open the hood. You gotta make sure it's on. Not started, but on. And so I connected this wire to from here, and you just go right here and you just, and it starts. Just put it here so it doesn't touch any metal. But anyways, now it's on. This is how I was driving it yesterday. And then I went and I got the scanner that we have, to try to program the keys, but I think I don't have that feature in the scanner that I got. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to this guy that he does a lot. He does some good ass programming for cars. I always take the cars that I cannot program keys, I take it to them and he will get me right. Look at this big rig right here. We actually worked on this one and it turned out amazing. But anyways, I lose track, and let's just take this and get the keys worked on, and hopefully the keys gets programmed, because I'm not trying to start it from under the hood every single time I'm trying to drive it. You feel me? Let's go. So we're almost there. Actually, I want to show you the cars they got down here. It is amazing. We got a nice M3 that is okay. Just look at these cars. Oh my god. I'm about to go back and see more cars. Look at that. That looks amazing. I have to go back and get inside. That did not sound good. There's shocks on this side. It's not good at all. Oh my god. Do you hear that? What we got here? Porsche, Ferrari, Lotus, Evora? Is that the Evora or? Oh my god. That is sick. Look at that old muscle car. That's nice. Look at how many fucking supercars they got inside, man. Oh my god. Alright, we made it. Now we just gotta wait an hour and a half till the guy comes back. Other than that, I'm gonna just sit on my coffee and pray until he comes, that when he does come, it works. It stopped on me on the road. I drove 40 minutes to get here, and it stopped on me maybe about 3 to 4 times in the middle of traffic. And every time I get off the car to start it from under the hood, I look back and the line is all the way to the other side of that building. Traffic was hectic. But anyways, let's just wait and cross our fingers that it'll work. Stay tuned. So it turns out that it's not the keys problem, and it is the FEM, they called it, body control module issue, which goes in here. They already took it out. Hopefully they can transfer the information from a new one, which came out of this one. They already had this car right here. When I pulled in, they didn't. They brought it from the back. But it's also the same car that I have, Grand Coupe. Hopefully they transfer the information and put the new BCM on this car, and hopefully, I really hope that it'll work. This needs charging as well, but I hope it doesn't die on us while we're working on this, man. And also 1, 2, and 3 keys, wrong BCM. Hopefully they fix it, and let's see it. Here goes the new one. Putting the new one on now. Hopefully it works. Let's see what happens, huh?
Okay, let me see what he has. I was thinking he left the key again.
Oh, it starts.
It's the FEM.
Use this, huh? It's finally working. Yes, sir. All right, let's drive off now. That's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Every single clip of it. We got it working, thank God. I got a little worried at the end, to be honest with you. Not gonna lie, I did get just a little bit worried. But got it all fixed up now. It starts. It's got 2 keys programmed, changed the body control module. And the next episode, I'll be replacing these 2 doors and putting on the side skirt. Just get it ready for the new flip. So I flip cars, and this is what I'm gonna do for this car, since I saw it at the junkyard and got it. that's the plan for this car, like I said. So hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. Peace.